Moving can be one of the most stressful experiences in life, from packing up all your belongings to dealing with logistics and timelines. That's why professional movers are essential to make the process smoother and more efficient. If you're looking for reliable, affordable, and top-quality movers in Burien, Washington, 3 Movers is your go-to solution. At 3 Movers, we take pride in our wide variety of moving services, including long-distance moving, local moving, international moving, residential and corporate moves, and even storage solutions. No matter the type of move, we've got you covered. But what really sets us apart is our commitment to professionalism, transparency, and customer satisfaction. Let's take a moment to talk about something very important: how to avoid scams when hiring movers. We understand that moving can feel overwhelming, and the last thing you want is to fall victim to unscrupulous companies. Moving costs vary based on the size of your move, the distance, and the service level you choose. Local moves are generally more affordable than long-distance moves, but they can still involve additional costs like fuel surcharges or the use of special equipment. Ready to make your move? Contact 3 Movers now and let us help make your relocation easy, affordable, and stress-free.